Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing well. I welcome you to an interesting video where we are gonna show you how to make some interesting lovely hairstyling patterns. You have to just secure your hair like this, make it done beautifully, and then from the middle what you need to do, you have to secure your hair in this manner further. Now just get it attached in this manner, get a crisscross pattern made and then secure it tightly and beautifully in this manner. You have to just get your hair and then secure it in this manner. Again, with the help of these rubber bands, you need to tie them together and then end up getting a beautiful hairstyle made in this way. Isn't it attractive? Now here again with the help of the comb you need to just get it beautifully tucked like this, and then from either side we are gonna make these patterns. Now just tie them together and keep on layering your hair in this way. Further what we need to do, you have to just secure your hair into the form of a beautiful round bun, and this is gonna give your hair a perfectionism. Isn't it cool? Thank you guys for watching our video.